Well, children, here we have Act 2, Scene 3. It's a scene in Venice. It's a room in Sherlock's house. You'll find Jessica and Lancelot conversing with each other. Here you'll find Jessica and Lancelot in the scene, right? So Jessica and Lancelot, they hold a good friendly relation with each other. So Jessica speaks out. Now, as you remember in the previous scene, we learned that Lancelot and Gobbo, both father and son, they go to Sherlock's house to bid goodbye. So over here Jessica meets him and says, "I'm sorry thou wilt leave my father so. Our house is hell and thou a merry devil. So I'm really very sorry that you're leaving my father's service." "Of course, why not? A house is hell, is like a hell. But you have been a merry devil." Merry devil means it's you who has added cheerful spirit over here. Okay, so it says that I'm sorry that you're leaving my father's service in this manner. Our house is sad and dull as hell, but your cheerful spirit used to make us forget much of its dullness. Okay, didst rob it of some taste of tediousness. Tediousness refer to the dullness. So it was your cheerfulness that made us forget some of its dullness. But then she says but fare thee well. But farewell to you. There is a ducat for thee. Take this, there is a ducat, there is a coin for you. And Lancelot, soon at supper shalt thou see Lorenzo, who is thy new master's guest. Okay, so she tells him that you will see Lorenzo soon at supper. He is your new master's, that is Bassanio's guest tonight. Okay, give him this letter. You have to give this letter to him, and you should do it secretly. And so farewell. So goodbye. I would not have my father see me in talk with thee. So I would not like my father to see me talking to you. So you can go. Lancelot says, "Adieu. Tears exhibit my tongue." Most beautiful. Now you see, Lancelot is a great actor. So he says goodbye. Tears are preventing me from speaking. Then he tells her, "Most beautiful." Pagan. Pagan is non-Christian. "Most sweet Jew. If a Christian do not play the knave and get thee, I am much deceived. I am much cheated. But adieu. But goodbye. These foolish drops do somewhat drown my manly spirit. Adieu." So over here, so what does he say? He tells Jessica that tears choke my voice and I cannot speak. Then he calls the fairest of all heathens, sweetest of all Jews, though you are a Jewess. Okay, your charming beauty will tempt a Christian, that is Lorenzo, who may carry you away and marry you. But then he says, "Farewell. I bid you farewell. My tears are somewhat stopping me to, they are somehow dampening me, my manly courage. They are disgracing my manliness. So the men are not supposed to cry, but my tears are, when men cry, manliness in the man vanishes." So he means to say that they are disgracing my manliness, and says, "Farewell." Jessica says, "Farewell, good Lancelot." Lancelot leaves. "Alack, what heinous sin is it in me to be ashamed to be my father's child? But though I am a daughter to his blood, I am not to his manners. O Lorenzo, if thou keep promise, I shall end this strife, become a Christian and thy loving wife." So here you'll find the feelings of Jessica towards her father. What does she speak? As she bids goodbye to Lancelot, now here this part is again a soliloquy. Okay, that she is speaking to herself. She says, "Alas, how hateful it is for me to, how heinous means how hateful sin it is for me to feel ashamed to call myself my father's child. But although I've inherited blood from him, I have not inherited his manners, that is nature." Then she says, "O Lorenzo, if you be true to your words, if you keep your promise, I shall end this strife, I will put an end to this conflict, or I will become a Christian and your dear wife. After getting married to you, I'll become a Christian and your dear wife. So children, this is the end of first term syllabus. Please go through these extracts again and prepare for your exams properly. Thank you.